I'd like to share a revelation. You move to an area, and you multiply, and multiply, until every natural resource is consumed, and you multiply. Human beings are a disease, and you multiply. A cancer of this planet, and you multiply. You're a plague, and we are the cure. You move to an area, and you multiply, and you multiply, until every natural resource is consumed. Human beings are a disease, a cancer of this planet, and we are the cure. Human beings are a disease, a cancer of this planet. You're a plague, and we are the cure.